If you love splashing water and experience the thrill of amazing water slides, or enjoy a day of sun, Yas Waterworld is the place for you. Located in the heart of Yas Island, in Abu Dhabi, famous for its renowned entertainment attractions. Yas Waterworld is undoubtedly the most spectacular and fun water park in the UAE, with over 40 amazing attractions for the whole family, and is considered among the best in the world. Yas Waterworld is consisting of total 8 zones, each with a different theme and vibe. You will enter the park, form the Qaryat Al Jina Souk. Going right you will get the Marah zone. Moving further to it, you will see the Bandit zone. Then you have the Adventures, Jebel zone. Next to Jebel you can dive, from Falcon zone. Dolphin zone will be waiting for you next to have surfing experience. Take some rest and relax at the Dhabi zone. Finally play with waves, at the Al Waha zone. You will enter the Water World form Qaryat Al Jina Souk. The souk has several dining options, and shops. Form where you can buy, and rent swimming apparels, and souvenirs. This area has changing rooms and lockers. There are separate changing rooms for men and women, but most interestingly they have a separate changing area for families. You can rent lockers form the shop area, and you will get a wristband, which is the key of the locker. Even inside the water park, you don't need to bring any money. You can carry digital money. You can deposit an amount to the shop here, and get a wristband, which will carry your money. And in every shop you can buy food, and other things, with that money, and while leaving the park, you can return the band, and receive your balance amount. Crossing the beautiful lagoon, with water effects, you will enter the water park. This area also has a 5D cinema, called Cine Splash. Just beside entrance, towards your right, you will find the Marah zone, which is children's and family play area. The Marah zone has several attractions for kids. First you will have Yay Hall infant pool, then you can play at the Water Wars and Dunk Tank. Opposite to that, you will have Tots Playground, which is toddlers' play area. This is a place to spend some fun time with your kids. Next is the Marah Fortress, which is the best part of this Marah zone. It has a huge bucket, full of water, which keeps on dropping loads of water at you. Several stages of slides, and activities, will hold you here for hours. Next, is the Bandit zone, which has total 3 amazing activities to offer. You can enjoy the Cannon Point and Pearl diving experience. But most interesting, and adventures, is the Bandit Bomber. This is an interactive, water roller coaster, which will give you the impression of flying above the park, suspended in the air. This is an extreme adventure, and one of the best rides of the park. This is the world's longest suspended roller coaster. Each ride has a height limit. You have to check the eligibility before entering any ride, otherwise you will waste time. Moving forward, you will find the Jebel zone. This is the most exciting zone. This includes some of the world's best slides and drops. Slither Slides is one of Yas Waterworld's most popular attractions. These twin water slides allow you to live an ever-changing experience, which you can customize by choosing different lighting effects. You will come out of the mouth of the snakes. The experience is quite thrilling, but it's not that scary. You'll want to try them again and again. Minimum required height for this slides is 120 centimeters. Hamlul's Humps and Jebel Drop are the next two slides. Both of them are extremely thrilling. While Hamlul's Hump is a double hump speed slide, Jebel Drop is the tallest water slide of the park, which drops straight down. There is also 6-line mat race, called Seabag at this zone. Al Waha Beach is also there, to take you on a floating fun journey through the Al Waha River. Next is the Falcon Zone, which I call the adventure zone of Yas Waterworld. Here you have the Lower Loop, Falcon's Falaj, and Awama. Lower Loop is not just a water slide. There is much more to it. Lower Loop takes you to a free fall experience. Your heart will start beating as soon as you enter the capsule. Suddenly the capsule floor opens, and you free fall into the whirlwind of ultra high speed water slides. It just takes seconds to take you down to the finish, with a blink of an eye. On the other hand, Dawama is an absolutely unmissable attraction, as this is one heck of a thrill ride. This is the world's largest tornado water slide, designed for 6 people. At Dhabi Zone, you can enjoy the Wave River Yadi Yas, and the Yadi Yas Beach. And don't miss the world's largest sheet wave, Bubbles Barrel, at the Dolphin Zone. If you're a beginner to sheet wave, Rush Rider is there for you to learn. Last but not the least, Al Waha Zone will be waiting for you to enjoy the feel of a beach wave. Amwaj Wave Pool is just at the center of the park and is one of the most entertaining attractions of Yas Waterworld. When you are visiting Yas Waterworld, make sure you book your whole day for this park. Trust me, this will be an amazing experience for you, your family, and friends. If you are staying at Abu Dhabi, coming to Yas Waterworld is very easy and accessible by both bus and taxi. You can board bus number 190 from Abu Dhabi bus station and ride up to Yas Mall. But if you are staying at Yas Island, you can reach Yas Waterworld by Yas Express, the free shuttle bus that runs daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. To download the map, please scan the QR code. But if you are coming from Dubai or Abu Dhabi Airport, there are also free shuttle buses, which you can find form the same shuttle map. But the most practical way is to get a private transfer or taxi. Ticket prices for Yas Waterworld start at 250 Emirati dirhams for a single standard ticket, which allows you to stay in the park for the whole day and enjoy all the attractions. But to save money and time, you can buy it online at a discounted price. If you are also planning to explore more of Yas Island and visit Ferrari World or Warner Bros. World, I recommend that you choose this discounted ticket that allows you to visit 2 parks and save on the ticket price. See our other separate videos on Warner Bros. World and Ferrari World. Subscribe to our channel to see all our trip videos and reviews. If you plan to stay for a few nights and make the most of the fun of Yas Island, you can stay in some of the best hotels on Yas Island. We stayed at Crown Plaza Yas Island, as I am an IGH member, and booked for 2 nights with 2 park access. And trust me, our trip was worth each penny we spent. Both the hotel and Yas Island meet all our expectations. If you want to know more about Crown Plaza, watch our separate review video on the hotel and get to know more about it. The opening hours of Yas Waterworld are from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. But on Fridays the park closes at 10 p.m. Keep in mind that some days and hours are for women only. You can check the updated entrance times on the Yas Waterworld website. If you have enjoyed our video, hit the like button. To see more of our videos, and to explore the world with us, subscribe to our channel. For more on Yas Island experiences, its hotels, and attraction, check our other videos on our channel.